Hello creators. In the today's WordPress question and answer series, I have a very important topic which is going to be helpful for all websites. The question that we got on the iCreate program is I want to test my new website across different browsers, operating systems, and environments. Before I share the site with the client, I want to ensure it works seamlessly across all devices and platforms. This is a very genuine requirement before you launch your website or even you have a running website and yet not tested for its functionalities on different browsers or operating systems. So we may refine this question: how to test your website's functionalities across different environments to ensure a flawless UX, or we can read it as how to test your website on every browser and device before launch. This is called cross browser testing. So I got the answer. So you might be knowing the solution, but yes, I'm covering this question as it is going to be helpful for every website, be it a WordPress or any other platform. The answer is BrowserStack. Yes, so it is a very popular, most widely and most trusted tool for cross browser testing, and uh, surprisingly it is available for free up to the uses that we actually need for testing such requirements. Okay, so browser stack live testing tool. It's a web based, browser based tool, so you don't need to install this tool until you wish to do so. So you can install this as extension, and this will give you AI powered manual testing workspace with live and 15 plus other tools for 10x faster testing. So if you choose to install, you can use this solution as a browser extension, but you can use this on the browser directly. Okay, so thankfully each device we have multiple devices. Yes, 39 real devices we can check, and even you have the pro plans. So if you are exploring the pro plans, it will also give a real simulation with a SIM inserted devices. Yes, so when we are testing our website on a mobile phone, so it will give us the real experience how it works on an actual device, or even so real devices are here, like 39 real devices I can see in the iOS operating. And similarly we have Android here, 33, we have 33 real devices. For Windows setup we have like multiple devices here, and we can choose even the different versions of Windows and even Mac operating system. So the Mac operating system, there are different versions, so there are multiple devices. Okay, right. So in the favorite list you can add your favorites, so what set you want to choose. And like if you want to choose Windows 11, so it can quickly launch 11 uh, devices or the set of testing. Okay, so there are different functionalities that you can use, like you have the testing toolkit, accessibility testing, website scanner and all. And if we talk about the free features that we can use before we start the testing, so I'll show you the offerings that can be accessed for free. So I'll go to the profile, course count and profile, and here is the free plan details. So I have already used some minutes. So in the free trial version that you will get upon a basic sign up, you don't need to share any credit card information or so you just need to put your email and verify your email, and your account will be active immediately. So in the free plan we have 30 minutes, of course, and we can go for live testing. Automate testing is also available for 5 parallels, and users can be unlimited, and testing time 100 minutes you can use, so it is more than enough, I believe. Parsi is included. So what is this? 5,000 per month, and you can check the details, usage details and all. App Live is here, App Automate is here. So further we have, in case if you want to use this solution for app testing, it can be available. App Percy and the test reporting and analysis is also here. So we have 10,000 per month text execution. So the free plans offers much things that we actually need. Of course, the pro plan is good, and you can go for pro plans if you are a professional developer or agency developer. For individual, I feel the free will be enough, but yes, it is totally your choice. Right. So let us start the testing, and I have a website to test, in fact. So this is upcoming. I create new website and it is under development. Of course, it is bringing more features for you, and I am sure you are a regular visitor of this channel and you know about the iCreate program, which is a very interactive program where you can take all the supports, all the help regarding WordPress website. Okay, so let us test this being developed website, which has multiple pages, multiple solutions, and post and features and all. So right, so the website looks very nice when I'm using my own browser, my own set of environment. I'm using Linux and it is working very good, smoothly. But still, as a protocol of delivery, we need to check everything, whether it is working fine before we launch. So there are multiple pages, functionalities, responsiveness and all that we need to check. So let us go to the BrowserStack and check. We can start with the Windows, which is most commonly used operating system, and we can either start with the Windows 10. So I believe this is more being used. However, Windows 11 is the most latest release. I'm a Linux user, I don't know about Windows much, but yes. So okay, 146, and I can see the Edge browser, the Chrome, the Firefox, the Chrome, and the Opera, even the Yandex or the Safari. So I'll go with the most common one, the Chrome browser. Okay, and here the WP themes website is being tested, but yes, I'll switch to the new URL here, which is the iCreate program, right? Okay, so here it is, and so we have to remember the session will expire in a minute, so we have to quickly test, and you need a fast internet for testing with such tools. So I can see all is working good on this page, so I can quickly switch to another page. And so flicking is maybe my PC issue, but it is not like. However, it can be checked. So all elements are loading fine. So I got notification that session will expire. Okay, so now I'll go to the another browser, and we can choose this time Firefox, the latest version, and I believe it is going to work fine again. Okay, so it is showing the WP themes website, and I opened the iCreate on a new tab, and again I'll check some pages randomly. So here I can see the click is not working, so I need to check this. So I have made a note that on the Firefox, on a certain operating system, the click, somehow the menu click did not work, so I need to check on the real device. So we can continue the testing, and I'll check with another version since that was a beta version. Okay, so on another person, so it looks like you have not started the Firefox in a while. Okay, so we can cross this, and if we can check some pages here, so I'll randomly go to the page or solution like e-commerce store, and it is working. So the menu item we can check, it is working. So we can conclude that it is working, and we can simply check on the different browsers similarly. Okay, so all elements are fine here. No flicking is here that we seen in another browser, and elements are, and the scroll is moving very smooth. So I will mark. You can have a pen and paper with this testing. So you can make a list and you can take the screenshot of this and you can mark okay, 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 and whatever you have tested. Since we have very limited time, so under 30 minutes we have to perform all this test, and you can see the limitations of free versions. Yeah, however, if you want, you can go to the pro. So I'll go to the Android version now, and here we have 33 devices, Samsung Galaxy 22. I'll go with the Samsung Galaxy, and now it is simulating the device. It is good, and it may take a while. This is optimizing the performance, and here it is. So it is important to check the device on the website on real device, and here it is, the real device is here, and we don't need to go on or request a friend when you are testing. So like try to scroll fast, so you can use the page down options or the scrolling options, and okay, all good. So I'll check the hamburger menu, the industries or the local services randomly, so we can check all these again. So we have 1 minute to check every browser on a particular environment, and this is going to be more than enough when you are not testing functionalities. For functionality testing, like if you are checking a form and you are filling a form, it will not enough. The 1 minute can be limited time. So randomly I can check with another device. Earlier we used Chrome, so this time I'll go with the Edge. Edge can be good. No, Firefox. Okay, so this time Firefox on Galaxy S20. So we have to wait until it gets ready. So it is connecting the real device cloud, the booting Samsung Galaxy S20, setting up a secure connection, optimizing for performance. So it may take a while, and here it is. So it is testing now, and we can even stop the session if you want to save the time. Like I stop the session, and you can switch to another device. Okay, so I randomly stop the session. Okay, great. So now I can switch to the iOS, and I'll use this iPhone 15 or iPhone 16 can be good, the latest version. So as I know, there are Pro Max is also here, iPhone. So Safari, I'll go with iPhone Pro Safari. Okay, and it is optimizing now, and yes, it is ready. Great. So it is working fine on the iPhone as well, and I'm here. So I'll check the home page first of all. Great. And consultation session. Yes, it is. Okay. So I'm just testing the basic arrangement. Do the chat session and can have a chat session or the multiple options on the device. But yes, randomly I can check the business challenge, low conversion or poor UX. Okay, it is loading so fast, so we can conclude that the website pages are working fine. However, we need to check the forms and functionalities on the other devices or the main core devices. But thing is that you can use this browser stack tool for testing your ongoing website, or of course for new website it is very necessary. So you can explore other options, like you can set the website scanner and the bug capture options, and even you can automate the live testing, so it is also available in the free. So it is recommended from my side, uh, test your website using different browser and different environment and set and automate. So it is a good idea to automate browser testing on a fully managed cloud offering real desktop and mobile devices. So you can check the real desktop and mobile devices and integrate with SDKs and parallel test runs and all. So you can get started, you can get a demo. So it is totally your control, and you can check with the select testing framework below to proceed. Like if you are using WordPress, so PHP can be good. So Selenium with PHP and download zip and all. So this can be a bit technical, but yes, it is available. So you can further escape to the dashboard. Great. So the projects can be seen here, whatever you are using, the reports, and even you can integrate with the Jira like software if you are using project management tools like Jira and all. So you can try it for free and all. So my main idea, the whole objective to show you all this to cover this question. So I believe this is covered, and you can test your website on every browser and device before you launch or even for live website. So you are also invited to ask questions on the I Create program for free. No, there is no condition, no charges. So you are free to ask any question related to WordPress website. Yes, only WordPress website. And we will try our level best to answer your question, to cover your question in form of video, or we may directly share a video to answer your question. Even you can ask question related to your specific website for themes, setups, so add-on functionalities. It is not required like you have to ask a very common question that may be applicable for all. You can ask your website specific question. It is not a restriction. So I believe you are going to get in touch with us, and there is no hidden fee. Again, I'm repeating, so you can freely ask. You can join the mentorship program and all. Now let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye, keep watching. Thank you.